Transformer windings may accumulate moisture due to their hygroscopic properties. Keeping a transformer open without some preventive measures for any length of time is not recommended. Compressed air is necessary to prevent moisture from entering the transformer. Globecore manufactures a machine precisely for this purpose. The Mojave Heat Series unit is designed to dry and purify atmospheric air and dehydrate sorbents. The machine ensures a dew point of -50 degrees Celsius. The dry filtered air from an adsorber and a particulate filter is pumped through the transformer tank, facilitating a flow of fresh air to the maintenance personnel inside and preventing atmospheric moisture ingress to the transformer windings. While one of the two absorbers dehydrates air for the transformer, the other absorber is being regenerated. Thus the cycle of dry air supply is uninterrupted. Operating the unit requires no significant training due to its simple design. The unit is controlled merely by several buttons. The high reliability of the unit is ensured by high-quality components in a protective cage. Many performance parameters may be upgraded on customer request. The paint coat will preserve the exterior and appearance of the unit for its entire lifespan. For more information, please visit our website at www.globecore.com.